Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got some shoes here. I am currently shoeless. I don't even have socks on today, but let's see what these shoes are and see how they work. It's weird. It opens up like this. So I'm going to show you guys what these are here. They are these leather shoes, but they're ridiculously comfortable. Oh, oops, I'm going to get styrofoam all over myself now. Hopefully there's not styrofoam in there. Let's put the box aside and I'll show you guys how these look. See, they look like nice leather shoes, but they're made of like, I don't know, what's like Crocs or something like that. The rubber stuff on the bottom. So they should be super comfortable. So let's see how these are. Does it even have a brand in there? I don't even think it says anything. No, this is number 260 on the bottom. How funny. Okay, so let's clean off my foot and put these on. I have very small feet, so I have a size 8 or 8.5. So that is what I got here. Unfortunately, I have too much styrofoam in this shoe right here right now, but I think I got most of it out now. Okay, so let's put this on here, and I'll show you guys what they look like here when I walk along the floor. Wow, these are comfortable. Holy mackerel. They're comfortable, and they look like almost like suit shoes. I could probably wear these somewhere nice. So if I had to dress nice, man, this would be great. This would be great for like a doctor or somebody who has to kind of dress nice at their office, but they want to be super comfortable. So it looks nice, but they're ridiculously comfortable. Holy mackerel, these are comfortable. I don't know how they do it. I guess because it's the plastic stuff on the bottom, but it's just like cushioning all over. These are great. I'm totally wearing these today. So okay, but I'll show you guys them again. This is what they look like, and I am keeping these on. So thumbs up from me for sure on these. Pick up some of these shoes. You'll love them, man. These are awesome. Let me see, what does it say what it is? I don't know. This is just some number for it. I don't know if that's going to mean anything, but I'll figure it out for you. But definitely awesome. Thumbs up.